So whoever stands in the night prayer for 10 ayat, they will not be written from those that are the heedless ones. This is not something that's, out of reach for all of us. We can put together 10 ayat in some way, shape, or form. It could be 5-10 minutes before the Fajr Salah comes in even. We change both the context, but because we've now introduced a few more ayat into our repertoire, we'll get maybe an unexpected reward. By reciting a new passage from the Quran, we might hear or understand something that we didn't understand before. A new gem that we hadn't experienced before, and that knocks us back from a stimulus-response relationship back to an action outcome. And makes our prayer then throughout the rest of the day better again. If you want to knock your brain out of autopilot, recite something different. Recite something you struggle with. Because then there's twice the reward for you. Recite something that is not from the norm. And then, subhanAllah, that's the amazing thing about prayer. Like, even though I'm today supposed to be talking about getting rid of those bad habits, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes care of that in the Quran already. Inna salata tanha anil fahsha'i wal munkari wal baghi. Right? So once you get your prayer in order, those things that we all know to be bad habits, those things that we all struggle with, will be taken care of themselves.